What's up, Thomas?
Hey Ben, how's it going, man?
Oh, not much. Just thought I'd bug you on a day in the life of Thomas. You got sick?
Yeah, sure.
All right,
Come
cool.
on in.
I'll follow you, man. All right, Thomas. So I get to ask you some fun questions. What's the first thing you do when you come to the clinic?
Coffee, number
Coffee.
one.
I get it. Okay.
After that, I take a look through the scheduler, make sure everyone's up to capacities, kind of get a feel for what my day is going to look like. Look through my emails, try and figure out if I got any problems I got to solve quickly.
I like it. Gotta be like that. I hope I didn't miss anything. So how long have you worked at the clinic?
Well, off and on. I started as a OSS here back in 2017, and then did that for a couple of years, and then after that came back as a licensed PTA.
And now you're here?
And now I'm here and directing the clinic. Yeah.
Attaboy. And what's the coolest equipment you got in the clinic?
Ooh, the shuttle press.
Shuttle press. All right, maybe you'll show us that later. But real important question, with your coffee, how do you take it?
Black.
No creamer, no milk, no sugar?
I don't need any of that.
Okay. You like it plain and simple.
Yeah.
I like it. So, with the coffee question, if you could have coffee with anyone dead or alive, who would you choose?
Denzel Washington.
Yeah, who wouldn't want to talk with Denzel? What would you ask him?
Ooh. Gosh, I don't know.
That's cool. It's all right.
I have no idea what I'd ask him.
Just have coffee with him.
I just want to spend time with Denzel Washington.
Who wouldn't?
I love every movie he's done.
All right, so Tom, I did have you describe your job in 3 words.
Leader, healer, and inspirer.
Okay. A lot of motivating words. I like it, Thomas. And what's the best part about working at ATI?
The teamwork. That's the best part.
Teamwork makes the dream work, man. I like it. Okay, Thomas, the serious question. What's the toughest part about your job that no one sees?
Well, life happens and it's not always easy. And, sometimes I got to put in a little extra time to help others. But at the end of the day, if your people feel supported, right, it was worth it.
I get it. And then who inspires you professionally?
My DD, Joan, and just down the street, Neha. I really look up to her too.
Okay. And then if you weren't a clinician, what career would you have chosen?
I probably would have stayed with the military.
Okay.
Working on aircraft.
All right. Would you be flying them?
Nah,
that's all right.
I like the troubleshooting.
Okay. And then what's your proudest moment as a therapist?
A while back, had a patient that could barely walk, hobbled in through these doors. And by the end of their treatment, they were walking with a cane.
Okay. That sounds pretty awesome to me, man. And then here's a fun one. What's one thing that's misunderstood about physical therapy?
We are not massage therapists.
Say it loud, say it proud, Thomas.
Yeah.
All right. Now, Thomas, you might have to speak quieter for this one, but who's the coolest person on the team?
Don't tell anyone I said this, but it's Yaz, hands down.
Okay. Secret safe with me, man. And then, real important, Thomas, because we like having patients do well. Like, how do you celebrate patient milestones?
Usually we're doing like a championship belt over in the champion circle, and could be like some nuts or. Hey, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
Hey, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
What's the funniest thing a patient's ever asked you?
I once had a patient ask me how to get rid of their bingo arms.
So my follow-up is, what are bingo arms?
I asked that question too, and she said, bingo arms.
Okay. I mean, it works for that. And then what's your favorite thing to do in Seattle when you're not work?
Really, I enjoy gardening, going for a nice walk, just outdoors.
Very peaceful hobbies. I like it, Thomas. All right, some rapid fire ones. Favorite spot to eat? I love food.
My favorite is chops,
which is
Korean fusion.
yeah. All right. And
The
what?
best thing to get,
Uh-huh.
the bulgogi burrito.
I mean, sounds good to me, man. And what's on your playlist these days?
90s grunge.
Little Nirvana.
Nirvana, Pearl Jam, Alice in Chains.
I mean, you gotta represent Seattle. I like it. And then, what book has had the most impact on you?
Most impact? Well, truthfully, I'm not much of a reader, and but if I had to pick my favorite book, I would say Wayward Pines.
I like it. I like it. And if you had one superpower, what would it be?
I don't need that.
Okay,
I'd rather just be Batman.
Money's not bad. All right, and then Thomas, one more thing. So, since you're a veteran, right? Because you said you served in the military.
Yeah.
So how has your military experience prepped you for leadership?
Well, I had to supervise personnel in the military, and it's not clean as well, right? You never know what's going to happen. You got to be prepared to address any issue that arises, and you do it on a regular basis in the military. That just translates.
Take it as it comes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Exactly. Well, thanks for your time, man. Hope you have a good day.
Yeah. See you later, bud.
All right. See ya.